Hello and welcome to FinOSafe channel. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of properly storing and securing your cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has become increasingly popular in recent years, and as more people invest in it, it's essential to understand how to keep it safe. In this video, we'll go over the different types of storage options available and the best practices to keep your cryptocurrency secure. When it comes to storing your cryptocurrency, there are two main options: hot storage and cold storage. Hot storage refers to keeping your cryptocurrency on an internet-connected device, such as a computer or mobile phone. Cold storage, on the other hand, refers to keeping your cryptocurrency offline, such as on a hardware wallet. Hot storage is convenient for easy access and trading, but it is also more vulnerable to hacking and theft. Cold storage, on the other hand, is much more secure, but it can be more challenging to access and trade. One of the most popular and secure options for cold storage is a hardware wallet. These are physical devices that securely store your private keys offline. Some popular hardware wallets include Trezor and Ledger. Another option for cold storage is paper wallets. A paper wallet is a physical copy of your private keys, usually printed on a piece of paper. This is a very secure option, as long as you keep the paper wallet in a safe place and make sure it doesn't get damaged. Regardless of which storage option you choose, it's essential to keep your private keys safe. Your private keys are the keys to your cryptocurrency, and if they fall into the wrong hands, your cryptocurrency can be stolen. Here are some best practices to keep your cryptocurrency secure. 1. Use a strong, unique password for your cryptocurrency accounts and wallets. 2. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. 3. Never share your private keys with anyone, and make sure to keep them in a safe place. 4. Regularly back up your wallets to ensure that you can still access your cryptocurrency if something happens to your device. 5. Stay vigilant of phishing scams and never click on links or enter your private keys on a website that you don't trust. Properly storing and securing your cryptocurrency is crucial to protect your investment. By understanding the different storage options and following best practices, you can ensure that your cryptocurrency is safe and secure. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our FinOSafe channel for more informative videos on finance, cryptocurrency, and NFTs.